in the 5-star segment in the major hotels. You can reach Germany very easily with diverse flight offerings, especially from the UAE, we have the best.
Cities, together with Cape Town and New York. So, well, we felt honored. Same with Happy City Index. Seems to be that we are quite happy in Berlin. And I'm happy to be back in Dubai. I'm always happy here as well. Thank you for joining us.
Necessarily try to rush, not necessarily try to discover Europe in 5 days, but we need more. We need to go local.
Remember, we are flying daily, Berlin, Dubai, Berlin, year round, summer and winter. So we started our routes. We are flying also from the city of Cologne, in addition to Berlin and Stuttgart. So we now fly.
We're promoting today Germany as a very interesting tourism land and new airline flights to Germany.